Alright, who wants to see a show?
Woo!
Alright. So, see this truck right here? You see the small circle right here?
Mm-hmm.
That's what they're going to do first. And then, you see this outside track? That's what they're going to do second or last. Alright, and here are our cars that are going to be doing it.
Ooh.
Okay. First up is our white car. White car loves to win. All the white car does is win, 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 win. That's what he loves to do. I hear some oohs. Looks like other people love to win. I heard some laughs. So I think that's funny too. Ah! Alright, and here is our green car. Our green car has great sportsmanship. Green car. I know, I like that too. Alright, the green car loves to green car loves to, he always rides away with a happy engine. So give it up for green car. Woo! Yeah. Alright, and here is our red car. Red car loves to go speedy. The people who built him are called Speedy 8. So I can see why red car loves to be speedy. Alright, give it up for red car. Woo! Alright, yeah, I like that too. Alright, last is blue car. Alright, blue car can do this. Woo! And green car can also do, and blue car can also do this. Woo! And stand on it like that. And stand on it like that. Oh yeah, I like it too. Alright. Now, it's time for white car to do the track. Alright. It's kind of like that. They're going over some hills there. Alright, that's the baby. Oh, come on now. You know you can. I'll just be there to help. Come on now. You know you can do better than.
Come on, white car.
Come on. Maybe our other cars can do better. I don't know. There we go. Give it up for white car. Woo! All right. Now it's time for our green car. Good sportsmanship. I love it. All right. Yeah, what's that? Right. Really?
Ew.
Oh no, everybody, green car is out of our show. I bet you all hate to hear that.
Oh.
It's just gonna be over in the corner getting some rest. It's just sick. I don't like that. Time for red car. Speed.
Ooh.
Might not be as speedy as it wants to be, but you know, it'll be fun. No! I'm just gonna be there to help it. Looks like all our cars need to be rested. It's not very good. I don't like that. Oh, boo! All right. Oh no! Our speed went off the track.
We need some fresh batteries in these cars.
Yay! Give it up for red car. We hope you feel better after you lie down over here. Last but not least is blue car, our trick car. All right. Let's go. Oh, yeah, I love that. Did you see that? Whoa. I love that. Oh, no.
What
Wow.
a trick.
So powerful that it literally goes off the track. I love it.